comes to remodeling your kitchen, in general, there are a lot of moving parts, such as styles and finishes, many trade professionals like electricians, plumbers, and of course, the design and layout of your kitchen. That is why we have streamlined the remodeling process with knowledge and creativity in mind, because ultimately, what matters most is transforming the space to be just perfect for you and your family. So, what are the services that are offered by K&R Master Carpentry? 1. Planning and designing your kitchen. 2. Supplying kitchen cabinets. 3. Installing your kitchen cabinets. 4. Countertops and hardware. 5. We can also manage your project from start to finish. So, let's dive into it. Phase 1. Planning and designing. Achieving the perfect layout and functionality is our main focus in this phase, of course keeping in mind the budget and a realistic timeline. Phase 2. Exploring styles and finishes. Taking a black and white sketch and turning it into reality, as this phase is all about bringing colors to life. Phase 3. Getting down and dirty, the construction phase. Only when phase 1 and 2 have been nailed down is when the third phase begins. We converted the traditional way of remodeling into a modern way. We can help you budget from A to Z, from start to finish. This way, we are both in the front seat and in full control. This is a project management service that we offer if you don't have a contractor on board.